Hey Beast, most welcome to the community. Today, we're going to talk about 7 best ways to make money online and maximize your earning. So let's start with a flash one. Freelancing. Freelancing is a flexible and potentially lucrative way to make money online. By offering your skills and services as a freelancer, you can work from anywhere and choose projects that align with your interests and abilities. To get started, you'll need to create a profile on a freelancing platform such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. This will allow you to showcase your portfolio, list your skills, and start bidding on projects. When bidding on projects, it's important to have a compelling cover letter and proposal to stand out from other freelancers. Be sure to clearly communicate your rates and availability. In addition to bidding on projects, you can also reach out to clients directly and offer your services. This can be a great way to build a long-term client relationship and secure steady work. Freelancing offers the flexibility and potential to make money online while working on projects that align with your skills and interests. Just be sure to communicate effectively, deliver high-quality work, and build a positive reputation to succeed as a freelancer. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money online by promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program company or product that you believe in. You'll then receive a unique affiliate link to promote product or service on your website, blog, or social media platforms. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll receive a commission for the sale. The commission percentage and amount will vary depending on the affiliate program you join. It's important to choose products or services that align with your interests and audience, and to promote them in an honest and transparent way. Writing reviews, creating tutorials, or offering comparisons can be a great way to effectively promote affiliate products. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online by promoting products or services that you believe in. Just be sure to choose products that align with your interests and audience, and promote them in an honest and transparent way. The thinned one is the best for the student who are still learning. 3. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a way to make money by teaching a subject you're knowledgeable about to students over the internet. It's a flexible and convenient way to share your knowledge and skills and earn money at the same time. To get started with online tutoring, you'll need to find a platform that connects tutors with students. Popular platforms include TutorMe, Chegg, and WizIQ. Once you've signed up for a platform, you'll need to create a profile that highlights your expertise and experience. You may also be required to take an assessment to demonstrate your teaching ability. When a student requests your services, you'll typically be able to choose your own rates and schedule. You'll then be able to teach the student through video conferencing or another form of online communication. It's important to have good communication skills, be organized and efficient, and be able to effectively communicate complex concepts to your students. Online tutoring is a flexible and convenient way to make money by sharing your knowledge and skills. With the right platform and approach, you can successfully teach students from anywhere in the work regenerate response. 4. E-commerce. E-commerce is a way to make money by selling products online through websites such as Etsy, Amazon, or your own personal website. It's a great way to reach a wider audience and build a business around something you're passionate about. To get started with e-commerce, you'll need to choose the products you want to sell and find a platform to host your online store. You may also need to obtain any necessary licenses or permits for selling the products you've chosen. Next, you'll need to create your online store and list your products. You'll want to make sure your products are well described and accompanied by high-quality images. You'll also need to set up a payment system so customers can purchase your products. Once your store is up and running, you'll need to market your products and drive traffic to your store. This can be done through social media, online advertising, and other forms of digital marketing. The next one is my all-time favorite 5, digital marketing. Digital marketing is a way to promote and sell products or services online through various digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and websites. It's a crucial aspect of any online business and a great way to reach a large and targeted audience. To get started with digital marketing, you'll need to define your target audience and understand their needs and behaviors. This will help you determine which digital channels to use and how to best communicate with your audience. Next, you'll want to create and implement a digital marketing plan. This could include search engine optimization, SEO, to improve your website's ranking in search results, social media marketing to engage with your audience on platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, and email marketing to send targeted messages directly to your subscribers. You can also use digital advertising, such as pay-per-click, PPC ads, to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website. Make sure to track and analyze your marketing efforts to continually improve and refine your strategy. Digital marketing is a crucial aspect of any online business and a great way to reach a large and targeted audience. By defining your target audience, creating a plan, and tracking and refining your efforts, you can effectively promote and sell your products or services. If you have confidence in yourself and good camera present, then the next is the best for you. 6. Content creation. Content creation is the process of producing and publishing various forms of content, such as articles, videos, and images, to inform and engage an audience. It's a way to build a brand and establish yourself as an expert in your field. To get started with content creation, you'll need to identify your target audience and determine what kind of content they are interested in. You'll also need to choose a platform to publish your content, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account. Next, you'll want to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. This could include blog posts, videos, images, and other forms of media. Make sure your content is well-researched and provides value to your audience. Once your content is published, you'll want to promote it to reach a wider audience. This can be done through social media, email, and other forms of digital marketing. You'll also want to engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. Content creation is a way to build a brand, establish yourself as an expert, and engage with an audience. By producing high-quality, valuable content and promoting it effectively, you can attract and retain a large following. 7. Online surveys. Online surveys are a way to earn money by providing your opinions and feedback on various products, services, and advertisements. Companies and market research firms use online surveys to gather data and insights from a large and diverse group of participants. To get started with online surveys, you'll need to sign up with a survey website, such as SurveyJunkie or Swagbucks. You'll typically be required to complete a profile that includes information about your demographics and interests. Once you're signed up, you'll receive notifications of available surveys that you can complete. The length and number of questions in each survey will vary, but they usually take anywhere from a few minutes to a half hour to complete. You'll typically receive payment in the form of cash, points, or gift cards for completing each survey. The amount you can earn will depend on the length and complexity of the survey, but you can typically earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. Online surveys are a simple and convenient way to earn money by providing your opinions and feedback. By signing up with a survey website and completing surveys, you can earn money in your spare time. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.